Good morning, Franklin High School. I'm filling in for Mr. O'Connell. He's currently working on snowblower issues. Mr. O'Connell, please do not put your hand in the auger. That could turn out really bad. For the rest of us, it's a wacky Wednesday, and students, please log into Schoology for attendance to be more present for the day.
Today is also the day for our virtual open house, so students go to the Franklin High website and look under course registration. You'll see information where you can learn about upcoming courses, visit the SWAY where you can actually hear from students and teachers talking about different courses, and today you can actually live chat with some of those teachers to learn more about their classes.
Today is the last day for juniors to register for the PSAT. Go to the Franklin High School website and please register.
Yep, there's a lot going on today, but on Friday it's time for the Environmental Club to have its next meeting. If you have questions about how to join that club, contact Ms. Shovstool at cshovstool@bcps.org. The meeting will be Friday at 2:30, and all are welcome.
Lastly, juniors, it's time to order your class rings. Mr. O'Connell? Mr. McCusker, what's going on with that?
You'd be surprised, or maybe not, how many people confuse myself with Mr. O'Connell. Sometimes even I do. But in terms of the junior class rings, it's a fundraiser for the class, and really, it'd be great to have one, because juniors, when you're geezers a few years from now, if you've got that class of 21 ring, you can be telling the youngins at that time about what happened during the pandemic of 2021. So consider ordering a ring. Here's some more information from your class officers.
Students of the class of 2022 can now purchase rings. This is a great way to commemorate your time in high school, especially since we are out of the school building. This round of ring sales will run from now through December 22nd. To buy your ring, visit the links on our social media pages. After this sale period, rings will be available once again in January.
Did you know that you can also customize your ring? That's right, you can add birthstones, letters, names, or any pictures that you want. It's all up to you. And at checkout, you can have the choice of a free Franklin hoodie, earbuds, or backpack.
All orders will be shipped directly to Franklin High. And to make everything more safe, convenient, and efficient for you, we've set up a curbside pickup. Now, it's estimated that rings will be delivered by mid-March. And to make sure you don't miss out on anything, in April, we've set up a virtual ring ceremony. Now, the holidays are a perfect time to buy your rings, so make sure you go and get them so you always have a piece of your high school experience with you.
Well, that's all for today. I want to thank Mr. Book for sitting in today for Mr. O'Connell and for Mr. Valentine. Have a great day, everybody.